Kamala and pass it to your seatmate as well as play the music. So, if the music plays, stops, and papila kung asa na siya, papunta siya may answer na ng first paper. So, let's start. Wait. Miss China. So, Miss China, please read the question and please answer it on board. Is it correct?
Yes.
So, very good. Please give her three claps. So, next, so this paper belongs to Miss Erica. Please answer the next question. So, read it in front. Read it in front.
So in this expression, 6x squared plus 9x plus n, how many terms are there? 3.
3. So, is that correct?
Yes.
So, last paper is to Miss Ali. Read the question.
4x minus 5 plus 10x minus 4.
So, what is
What? So the question is, what is factor? So based on my previous knowledge, so a factor is a number or expression that divides another exactly, leaving no remainder.
Yes, so read the please. So, that was a great way to recall our what we've learned. So, this the previous discussion of us is very essential in our next topic, which is so observe the picture. So first question, who are the people in it?
Lorna, Rizal, and Spider-Man.
So what? Darna, Azarizal, and Gagamboy. So what do have they in common?
Heroes.
So what makes them different?
The other one, can I answer?
Yes,
So the
sir.
other one is our national hero, which is very fun. Is a fact, while the other two are fictions or they are just created by the mind.
Yes. Thank you for that wonderful question, wonderful answer. So let's relate this like these common heroes into polynomial because these heroes have it in common and polynomials have common factor too. So next, our topic is factoring polynomials with common polynomial factor. So please read our learning objectives.
In this lesson, you are expected to learn identify the common monomial factor of the given polynomial. Factor polynomial with common monomial factor. Appreciate the importance of factoring in real life situation.
That's it. So find the greatest common factor of this number. Number 1, 2, 4, and 6. What is the greatest common factor?
2,
Number 2, 3, 6, and 9.
3,
How about 2 So, how about for 2A, 2B, 2C? Their coefficient has a common factor. So what about 2x squared y 4x squared? 4x yes, 2xy. So next is Miss Ali, please read the first concept of this.
Concept 1. Common factors are factors that two or more numbers have in common. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is referred to the common factor having the greatest numerical factor and with variables having the least degree.
Yes. So Miss Hailey, please read the concept 2.
Concept 2, factoring is the process of finding the factors of an expression, which is the reverse process of multiplication. Common monomial factoring is the process of writing a polynomial as a product of two polynomials, one which is monomial, that factor each term two polynomial.
So thank you for reading the concepts. So let's have this question. So find the GCF of 4x and 10.
4x and 10.
Yes. If you write this into 4x plus 10, how will you factor it?
We have to find the y
So the GCF is 2. So times x plus
2x plus 5.
5.
2x plus 5.
2x plus 5. So if you multiply 2 times 2x is equal to 4x. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So that's how you find the greatest common factor. That's how you factor it. So how about 4m squared plus 10m? What is the factor? 2m. So 2m times 2m plus 5. Very good. So Miss Shaina, please answer the number 3. Find the GCF of 6x to the power of 4, 9x squared y, and 15x to the power of 55.
Yes. I want to solve it in
Okay,
the order.
please solve. Plus 1. So what is the factor of that equation? Correct. So this is the class. So as now we have gained the knowledge of factoring. So in step 1, find the greatest common factor or the GCF of the terms in a polynomial. This is the first factor. In step 2 is divide each term by the greatest common factor to get the factor. So let's try it. Get one more sheet of paper. So let's try these equations. I will give you 5 minutes to answer. One minute left. Finish or unfinished, please pass your papers.
Oh, perfect.
So, how's the
It's easy if you knew the concepts, but if you don't know, then it's hard.
Yes.
Totally.
It is very hard to factor in numbers. So, any questions?
None so far, sir.
So, please all read the quote of William Faulkner.
Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding.
Do you agree?
Yes!
So, thank you
Thank you so much.
and see you next